Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make these video style animations just using shapes in PowerPoint and adding multiple animations to them. So let's jump into it. As usual, the first thing we'll do is go to a blank presentation, choose Layout, Blank. And in this example, we're going to start with a black background. So we'll right click, go to Format Background, Solid Fill and choose Black. For our first example, we're going to just draw a simple circle. So we'll go to Oval, click anywhere, go to the size. I'm going to make this 10 centimeters. Align it to the middle of the page, then go to Fill, make sure it's on No Fill, and under Line, I'm going to make this first one this bright blue colour. Now we're going to go to the Effects and add a glow to this, because I think that adding a glow gives it this nice blurry motion effect when it's animating. So we'll go to Effects, Glow, make sure we choose the same colour as the line, and I'm going to just select 5 point. In my example at the beginning, I just had this text box that just said 1. And now let's add the animation. We'll go to Animations and we'll choose Wheel. And you'll see this draw out. And when we go to the animation pane, we want these to start automatically. So we're going to select with previous. I'm going to make this 2.5 seconds. And then I'm going to add a second animation, this time an exit animation. Wheel again, and this will remove it. We'll go to Start, choose with previous, change it to 2.5 seconds, and then make sure that there's a delay of 2.5 seconds. So this will mean that the wheel animation will reveal, and when it's finished, it will do the exit animation. So we'll select a 2.5 second delay for this. And now if I play this slide, you can see it will reveal round and then wipe off. And then we want to add a third animation. And this is an emphasis animation called Spin. So we'll go to Add Animation. It's very important you go to Add Animation. Otherwise, if you click any of these, it will replace the animation. So we'll go to Add. Under Emphasis, we'll choose Spin. We'll make this happen with previous and we'll drag it up to the top. I'm going to set the duration to 1 second. And then I can double click on this, go to Timing and choose to repeat 5 times. And what that will do is it will spend 1 second rotating 5 times. And the reason I've done that is so that it takes 5 seconds in total, which matches the time of these two animations here, which were 2.5 seconds each. So now when we play this, we get this really fast, good looking animation. And now I'll show you how you can quickly duplicate this slide and make variations of it using the Change Shape feature. So we'll click on the slide, press Ctrl D, type 2 in this box, click on our circle, go to Shape Format, then Edit Shape, Change Shape and choose Rectangle. That will create this square. And now we'll go and change the colour. So we'll make sure it's selected, go to Shape Outline and choose our other colour. And we also want to right click, Format Shape and make sure that the glow is also using that colour. So we'll go to Colour and pick the same colour for the glow and then the same colour for the text. Now when we run this, the effect will be applied automatically and you can change the speed to suit. And in my example, I wanted this to go a lot faster. So I can actually go to the animation pane and I could change all the timings, but I know they work. So to make this faster, I can just go to the first option, which is the rotation, and change it from 360 degrees to 2 spins, which is 720 degrees. So that's effectively just going to double the speed. So when I run that, looking good. And I'll quickly just create the other 2 examples. So again, Ctrl D to duplicate, Shape Format, Edit Shape, Change Shape, and then select any shape you like. I used this X. We can scale that up a bit. If you hold Control and Shift, it will scale like this from the center, and then we can change the number to 3. And for this one, I just chose this orange color. And again, we'll need to do shape outline, and you can leave it like that if you wish, or if you want to have it the same color, you can go to glow and make sure that you change that too. Now when we play it, we get this cool, fast animation. And now quickly the final one, Control D to duplicate, change this to number 4. For this, we just used a green. I'll make sure that shape outline is green. And the glow is set to green. And then shape format, edit shape, change shape. We can change this shape to anything that looks good. And for my example, I happen to use this called plaque. And for this one, we can size it down a bit. Again, click on the corner handle and hold down Control and Shift. And then we can size it from the center. Now, when we run this animation, it's fast, it looks interesting. It just is a clever way of using multiple animations to create interesting effects directly in PowerPoint. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.